The traditional family minivan is officially dead, and Toyota just danced on its grave. Forget everything you think you know about boring, uninspired family haulers, because the all-new 2027 Toyota GranAce has completely rewritten the rulebook, transforming a humble people mover into a jaw-dropping, ultra-luxury land yard. This isn't just a vehicle for school runs. It's a direct threat to high-end executive SUVs and premium German saloons alike, blending a presence that demands respect with an interior that rivals a private jet. But behind this mask of absolute opulence lies a shocking engineering decision, a hidden detail regarding its powertrain and global availability that has left automotive purists absolutely furious. And we are going to expose exactly why Toyota made this controversial gamble at the very end of this video. To understand why this machine is leaving everyone utterly speechless, you have to look at the sheer audacity of its exterior design. Toyota's designers completely abandoned the standard rounded minivan aesthetic in favor of an aggressively sharp, multi-layered silhouette that looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi film. The bodywork is dominated by dramatic geometric panels, a stark, high-gloss black rear fascia, and integrated LED light bars that wrap completely around the tailgate. But the real showstopper is the custom matte charcoal paint job, accented by glowing gold-illuminated body lines that trace the vehicle's unique contours. It features large multi-spoke blacked-out wheels that fill the arches perfectly, giving this luxury cruiser an athletic, grounded stance that exudes absolute dominance from every single angle. Step inside, however, and the real magic happens, as Toyota has elevated interior comfort to a level previously reserved for the ultra-wealthy. The cabin is an absolute masterpiece of leather, real wood grain trim, and soft-touch materials that envelop you from the moment the power-sliding doors glide open. The centerpiece of this rolling sanctuary is the rear accommodation, which features dual captain's chairs straight out of a first-class airline cabin. These seats are fully power-adjustable, heated, ventilated, and even come with built-in ottoman leg rests that allow you to stretch out completely under a panoramic glass roof. While you are picturing yourself relaxing back there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and drop a like on this video if you think the modern family van deserves a massive comeback. Up front, the driver is treated to a completely digitized cockpit that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with intuitive ergonomics. A massive, high-definition panoramic infotainment display stretches across the dashboard, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster that feeds you real-time data with crystal clarity. Every single passenger gets access to individual climate control zones, fast-charging USB ports, and a premium surround sound audio system that turns the cabin into a private concert hall. Toyota has also insulated the chassis with advanced acoustic glass and extensive sound-dampening materials, isolating you entirely from the chaotic, noisy world outside. It is so remarkably quiet that you could literally hear a pin drop at highway speeds. Beneath the surface, the engineering focuses entirely on delivering a silky smooth, effortless driving dynamic. The suspension system has been completely overhauled with sophisticated damping tech that actively rounds out harsh bumps, potholes, and road imperfections, making it feel like you are floating on a literal cloud. Power is delivered cleanly and predictably, emphasizing refined, linear acceleration over aggressive speed, which is exactly what you want when transporting precious cargo. Furthermore, Toyota didn't compromise on safety, packing the vehicle with their most advanced driver assistance suite yet, which includes proactive collision avoidance, lane centering technology, and an array of external sensors that make parking this massive vehicle incredibly easy. But remember that shocking engineering gamble we teased earlier that has the entire automotive industry in a massive uproar? While the world expected Toyota to finally drop a twin-turbo hybrid V6 or a cutting-edge fully electric powertrain into this flagship model, they did something completely unexpected. Toyota chose to equip the 2027 GranAce exclusively with a heavily updated, ultra-refined four-cylinder turbo diesel engine paired with an advanced mild hybrid system. For purists expecting raw horsepower, this feels like a massive letdown, but Toyota's data proves that the incredible low-end torque and massive fuel efficiency of a diesel engine are what high-end fleet buyers and large families actually demand. Compounding the shockwave is the fact that Toyota is keeping this luxury fortress strictly exclusive to specific Asian and Oceanic markets, leaving North American and European buyers completely stranded without a way to buy it.